Hey, how's it going? Today we learned how to make a super fancy toolbox liner out of whatever box you have. I just happen to have a Paw Patrol table box, but whatever you got, an Amazon box, anything will work. A toolbox liner will help your tools not to drag around and sound like metal against the trays, and it'll keep grease out of your toolbox. You can throw the liner away and make another one in a few minutes. But toolbox liners are a nice, easy, cheap commodity to have for your toolbox. All right, come on, let's go do it. It's best to start with the biggest drawer that you have. If you have a couple of drawers the same size that are big, do the big ones first. That way, if you run low on cardboard, it's not available, you can do the smaller drawers with smaller pieces of leftover cardboard. And I would do one at a time. I recommend doing one at a time, and that way if you miscut, you've only messed up one piece of cardboard instead of cutting a bunch of pieces wrong. And you don't have to be exact, as long as you're within a quarter inch or a half inch or so. It doesn't have to fit perfect. It's just got to be in there and be relatively square. It's a good idea to have something under the cardboard that you're cutting so you're not scraping your knife on the concrete. Maybe another piece of cardboard or piece of wood or something underneath the cardboard you're hacking on. You don't have to draw lines or anything across the cardboard. Just put a couple of dots where you measured with a Sharpie on the cardboard and use a straight edge to hack it. And it doesn't have to be perfect. If you get the cardboard a little too long or something on one end, you can always just cut that little piece off, or even just bend the cardboard over inside the toolbox and have some of it up against the toolbox drawer. It won't hurt. See, look at that. Perfect fit with minimal effort. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful or entertaining, please pass it along. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.